In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create newsletter polls with beehiiv. If you want to make your newsletters more interactive and learn more about what your audience is thinking, adding a poll is a simple and effective way to do it. beehiiv makes this process very straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to fill out so you can create a poll and start using it in your newsletter. To begin, log into your beehiiv dashboard and look over to the menu on the left-hand side. From there, click on Subscribers. This is where beehiiv keeps audience-related tools and engagement features, including polls. Once you're inside the Subscribers section, find and select Polls. This will take you to the area where you can manage existing polls or create a new one from scratch. Now go ahead and click Create Poll. This opens the poll creation page where you'll enter all the important details for your newsletter poll. Start by typing in the name of the poll. This is mainly for your own organization, so choose something clear and recognizable. After that, enter the description. This is where you can add context about what the poll is for, or what kind of feedback you're trying to collect. Next, choose the poll type. Depending on your goal, this helps define how subscribers will interact with the poll. Then enter the redirect URL if you want readers to be sent to a specific page after they vote. This can be useful if you want to guide them to a website, a landing page, or another piece of content after they've submitted their response. After that, choose the poll style. This affects how the poll will appear to your audience, so pick the option that best matches the look and feel of your newsletter. Then add your poll options, which are the answers people will be able to choose from. Make sure these options are clear and easy to understand, so subscribers can respond quickly. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a preview. This is helpful because it lets you review how everything will look before saving. Take a moment here to double-check your wording, layout, and answer choices. Once everything looks good, click Save, and that's it. Your poll is now created. You can then use it in your newsletters to boost engagement and gather feedback directly from your readers. It's a simple feature, but it can make your content feel much more interactive and audience-focused.